Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can log into Dropbox account. So without any further delays, let's get right into it. So we could see here's an URL section right here. So I'm simply going to write Dropbox and click on the enter button. And we could see we just landed to Dropbox website. And here are a lot of options right here on right corner. Here's a get app, sign up, login, and get started. So in this video, we are logging in. So I'm simply going to click on the login. And we have continue with Google, continue with Apple, or as well as an email address. So I'm just going to click it on with Google. So we could see here's my email address, my mail account. I'm simply going to click it. So for the further process to log in, we simply have to click on the confirm, and that's how you log into your Dropbox. Or you could simply write your email address and click on the continue, and that's how you log into your Dropbox account. So we all have a lot of options right here. So this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below, and also hit the bell notification for not missing the upcoming uploads.